If you have a Pfaff sewing machine, I've got some exciting news for you. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com. We do tons of free video tutorials on many of the Pfaff sewing machines and sewing and embroidery machines. I'm also the designer and instructor of the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, and I love accessory feet. So in some of my videos, I reference the Pfaff foot book, and if you're not familiar with this has been out for a while, but a lot of people don't know that they can find it at their local Pfaff store, or their Pfaff store doesn't carry it. We're excited to announce we have a digital version that you can now purchase and download. So we're going to put links below so you can find where that will live, allow you to purchase it. You'll be able to view it on your device. That could be a phone, it could be a computer, a tablet, and you will also have a download option. So you could save it on your computer for easy reference, or if you want to print it out yourself. So you could either print it on your own printer or even take it to a local print shop. It's just a PDF and they will print it for you as well. So pretty cool to have this now as a digital form. We recently launched a class. One of our students asked, hey, I can't find that. And so we went to Country Stitches, which has been making this book for years, and asked if we could put this book up for them so they could have that option to sell it around the world and as a digital copy. Here's one more thing that we are going to include. Any updates to this book or any new feet that come out in 2022, by the end of the year, we will include that update in today's purchase for free. So you're pretty much buying any updates for next year, so another 12 months, that if there is new feet from Pfaff being released and they are putting it in the book, that we will add to the digital copies so you have the most current version. Now, for those of you who have embroidery machines also, I'm going to give you a little tip. When you're at the checkout page for this book, they have, and I say they, Country Stitches, put out many years ago a comprehensive guide to machine embroidery, and we have this in digital form as well. So we're talking about stabilizer, needle charts for which fabrics that each needle needs to be used on, placement guides, hooping techniques, from troubleshooting and specialty embroidery techniques. So, and even some extra ideas and projects. So here's what I will say about this book. Number one, it's going to read like an encyclopedia, which when you're looking for good information, that's okay. So definitely take a look at this as an option. By the way, it'll be a discounted price if you buy these two together. By the way, back to the foot book, I want to reference two things. Number one, in the front cover is all the feet with just the picture and their name, and also the rest of the feet are in the back cover. So how many of you have feet in your accessory box or nearby and you're like, gosh, I don't remember what this is for. You don't have that package anymore. You can take that foot and place it somewhere on this page and find the matching picture. Sounds like a game from Sesame Street. So you can do this. And I also want you to know, if you click on the link to find the information for the digital copy, that this page here and this page here, the two pages that have the feet shown, you can actually download for free. So if you don't actually purchase the book, at least go download these pictures and pages, and then maybe even stick them in where you keep your feet. But the other thing, Pfaff does have an accessory guide on their website, and I'm going to put a link below in the description of this video of that location and PDF that you can look at too. What is the difference? In the foot book, we actually tell you how to use the feet. And in the accessory guide from Pfaff, the free one, it will it's more of like a catalog, like this is available, and then like which machines it's available to. So there's lots of places that you can get foot information right now, but I do know for some of our international students, you've been waiting for this, you just didn't know you were. But we also want to invite you to our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. If this is the year you're going to master your sewing machine accessories and decorative stitches. This is a course that I invite you to check out. There's over 10 videos you can even preview for free to see if this course is right for you. Again, I'll put some links for you to find. We talk about making a stitch book, and that's something so important. And I always tell my students when they buy new Pfaff machines is take the time to make a stitch book. One of those free videos is how to make the ultimate stitch book. So links will be down below. We'll put a link right up here for the stitch book information. And maybe I'll see you in one of our online courses soon. If you have an embroidery machine, we do have an embroidery essentials online course. So we got lots of fun things for you to help master a machine that might not be being used to its full potential, or maybe you just got a brand new Pfaff sewing machine or sewing and embroidery combination machine. We're so excited for you, but let's go ahead and start learning those models together. So enjoy the digital flip books. Let us know what you think, or if you have one of these and maybe you have an older version, you can get the updated version. We are on the 3rd edition when it comes to the Pfaff feet made by Country Stitches, the publisher of this book. So we're excited to help them out and help get their book out internationally so everybody can have the information at their fingertips. All right, so happy sewing, everybody. Can't wait to show you what we're doing coming up in the next couple months.